friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you how to make a real simple 2-ingredient chocolate cake. It is very easy. The first thing is you got to get about 10 ounces of chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now these are dark chocolate and that just makes it wonderful. So I'm going to melt those in my microwave, and I'm going to do this in 15-second increments, because I certainly don't want my chocolate to seize up. So when I get that melted, I'll be back. Okay friends, I am back, and see how nice and smooth and runny our chocolate is. It's all melted and beautiful. It turned out beautiful. It didn't seize up. I've had that happen before and it's just a mess. Anyway, we're going to set that aside because that has got to cool a little bit. Actually, I got to get it out of that one. Now, for this one, we are going to separate 4 eggs. So, I'm just going to do like I normally do. I am just going to separate them with my fingers. Oh. Ooh, that one broke, but I didn't get any of it in there. Ooh. That was close. If you get any of that yolk in your egg or in your whites, it will not work. It'll just ruin it. Well, I'm not going to edit that out. You're going to see that I make mistakes too. Oh, yay. Okay. There we go. It's a good thing my sink is right there, because it's my garbage and everything when I'm working and cooking. Okay. 4 eggs. Got to rinse my hands off. Now with the egg whites, I'm just simply going to beat them until stiff peaks form. And the stiffer the better. So I'm not going to have you watch that part because my mixer is old and loud. So I'm going to plug this in, make sure it's off. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start whipping these into soft peaks. And when I get them there, I'll be back. Hey friends, I am back and I'm going to show you that is stiff. And the secret to that is, watch this. All this is in this bowl, okay? Hold it upside down, it don't come out. See? It don't come out. That's what you want. Okay, so I don't think our chocolate is quite cool enough, but anyway, we'll go ahead and put in here and temper these eggs. So we're just going to put a little bit in here. Let me move this aside. We're going to put a little bit in our eggs just to temper them before we pour it all in there. Okay? Just a little bit, just to temper them. All right. Okay, that'll work. That'll work just fine. Put the rest of the chocolate in here, and we'll mix it all up really good. Ooh, that looks good. How easy. Who would have thought this would ever work? I'm not sure where I found this recipe. I think, don't quote me, look at my fingers, but I think I found it on one of Tasty's videos, and I thought, how cool is that? So I tried that a while back and I liked it. Okay. Now that's all set. Now we're going to take a little bit at a time and mix these egg whites into here. So I'm going to do about half at a time. Get them mixed in there real good. And then I'll fold the rest in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to fold the rest of these in there real carefully. Let's see how I'm doing that. Just fold them in. This is what's going to bind it all together and give it its fluff. The egg whites. So you don't want them all flattened down and destroyed. Oh my goodness. That makes your arm tired. Okay. Look at how beautiful that little bit of batter is. Absolutely. See that okay. All right. Now I got a little pan, a little springform pan, and I've got the side sprayed and I got a little parchment paper in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in there. This is real easy to make. Yes, it's messy, but it's easy to make. And it is easy cleanup. Pretty easy. Okay. Put that aside. Now this, we're just going to take and tap it a couple times just to get some of the air out of it. Alright, it is all ready to go. My oven is ready. It's all preheated. I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and when it's done, we'll be back. Okay, friends, our cake is done, and it is beautiful. So what I'm going to do, very carefully, I'm going to flip it over and let it cool right on the top of there. I'm not going to take it out of the pan or nothing. I'm not going to touch it until it cools. That way, it won't crack, it won't break, it won't do nothing. It'll just nicely drop onto the plate, and it won't break, and it'll be beautiful. So that's all I do. Leave it there, and I'll be back when it's completely cool. Okay, friends, see that is, it's all cooled off. And see how the side of it come off real easy. And there's the bottom. And we're just going to take this little bit of paper, peel that off there, and there you go. Now you can decorate this several ways. You could do a little bit of frosting. You could do Cool Whip. You could do some powdered sugar. You could do some fruit. You could do anything you want. This is absolutely wonderful. And I think what I'm going to do is just put a little powdered sugar on it, but I'm still going to let it cool just a little bit more before I do that. So anyway, that's it. It's that simple. And obviously it turns out quite well. So there you have it, friends. Until next time, thanks for watching.